This week we are working on Red Hot Root Words Lesson 3. Please make sure to fill out the graphic organizer as we go along. You may need to pause the video in order to keep up. The prefixes this week are super, supra, and sur. All three of these prefixes mean the same thing. Their definition is above, over, or more. Some examples of words using these prefixes are superintendent and supreme. Anytime you see a word starting with one of these three prefixes, it's probably going to have something to do with being above, over, or more. The first word is superhuman. The word superhuman is an adjective, which means it is a describing word. So we use it to describe people, places, things. Its definition is having powers above normal humans. So in the picture, you can see that my example is Superman, because Superman has superhuman powers. He can fly, he can lift up heavy objects, and he can run really fast. All of those things are superhuman. The next word is superabundant. Superabundant is also an adjective, also a describing word, and it means more than enough. So in the picture you can see that there are a superabundant amount of vegetables because there are more than enough of them. The next word is superb. Superb is also an adjective. Noticing a pattern here? The definition is excellent or outstanding. So the two students in the picture are holding awards because they have done a superb job. The fourth word is supervise. Supervise is actually a verb, which means to oversee. In the picture, you see some businessmen. Often in a business, you might have someone who supervises you or looks after or oversees the work that you do. In the classroom, the teacher supervises students, oversees what they do. The last word is surplus. Surplus is a noun, and its definition is more than what is needed. You can see in my picture that there is a surplus of office materials, so they have it stored for later when they need it. Surplus is very similar to the word superabundant, but the difference is that surplus is a noun and superabundant is an adjective. So we would say, I have a surplus.